COM. Last equals 27.87.
Can't stop. It's very unprofessional.
This one, Mike. Yeah, all in the morning. Hope you have a great day. This is more like it. Let's go. So, okay, hold on. Yeah, that's better. Let me make an announcement. Sorry. Let me just tweet and retweet all of the stuff that I should do. Yeah, all right. So, what I'm going to Alright, so how we do? First of all, before anything, you gotta take a look at SPY. right? It is the one that is the sum of all and the driver of the market. It's a chicken, egg, chicken, you know, that weird thing. So we had a 3 red yesterday on Qs, and it was the end of the month. So let me put the month up. Yeah, here you go. So it's a pin at the top with the high volume, and we are already gapping much higher from yesterday's close. Today is the reset of day and daily, weekly, monthly, right? So it's a reset of everything, and we will have a new week coming, right? So a new month coming. So it means that we're gonna have everything reset. The major time frame resets and all of the bias and everything gonna be reset. So today we are having a gap up, and it's a weird combination, 3-2 reversal. I mean, this combo for me is not defined in via strat, but if you want to translate it, it's a broadening. You can translate to a broadening formation that we got rejected and bounced from the lower band, right? You can draw it in different ways. This would be one way, this would be another way, this would be one way, and this would be the other one would be the other way. So it just depends on how you want to look at it, right? Well, anyhow, when you can look at the SPY is just different. SPY Qs they have a little bit room to go to the upside, but SPY shows absolute enormous buying power. What we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna take a look at the Forex Peace Army website, Forex Factory or Forex Peace Army website for any potential news today. Yesterday I missed the JP's Jeremy Powell's testify, and got annihilated. Got destroyed yesterday. Today we have OPEC at they have meeting all day, but the number is gonna come out at 10. We have FOMC speak at 8:30 today. So what you see, the move that we see is already coming from that speech, and they're gonna be news at 11. FOMC, they're gonna come and talk at 11. Members gonna give speech, and unemployment claims are gonna come out. So it was forecasted. It was forecasted 200 unemployment, 238,000, and now it is 199,000. So it's a good thing. We'll see just how market gonna react it, and take it from here. All right. So what we do now, we take a look at previous days stocks. On Pepsi, I was long bias. It didn't go. I mean, you can say it's a gap up. It moved also to 12, but then eventually it dropped to 8. What a move. So Pepsi today is a short, but I'm not going to take a look at it because I just didn't like the way that it was moving. PDD, it's a mix-up of everything. We are stuck in the mother bar. I would love that this thing yesterday either go lower or just close lower. Now today we are gapping up. We could expect a PMG, small PMG today, 75-ish or 74.80, already 74.15, and max magnitude of 74 maybe max. Roadblocks, if it drops lower than yesterday's close here, it will be a beautiful 122. So what we look at that there was a high, we started to rally up, there was a attempt to rally up. By the way, this is my yesterday's magnitude. How about that? So it rallied up, it failed, came back down and closed red. And now what we are seeing here, if we are gapping up, but we are gapping inside of the shadow, that's what I don't like, what I don't touch. The only way that I would trade this today is if it's dropped lower than 120, 125, 50 and stuff. So So roadblock automatically goes to the short list. PDD the same, stays on the long list, but I'm not gonna put a I'm not going to set it on a screen to observe it. It's just gonna be the Palantir. Palantir is a mess up show. Yesterday I was trading it based on 1 2 2 to the downside, and you can see that 1 2 2 to the downside, how beautifully it worked. And look at the 15-minute. This was the 2-2 reversal from down here. Actually, when it goes red, and then the rest is just a beautiful history. It's a 2 down, 2 up. This was a reversal, but it didn't work out. It closed higher. It came out like whatever, 4 cents, but then it went out back. Palantir, I removed Palantir from the list today. Run, what did run? It's a run went down based on, we can see short list yesterday is a 2-1-2 bearish continuation, but today we could expect from this gap up a 2-2 rev if it passes yesterday high, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't like the setup. There is no space, there is no room between the magnet, the entry point and the magnitude. It should be, if it was a smaller candle down here, yeah, this would be a beautiful setup, but it's not. Look at this. In a very slow market, we have already a beautiful move on TCOM. TCOM moves up. It's a 1-1. It's a 2-1-1. 2 down, 1-1. It moves up, and then we have FTech. FTech is also. It's just, look at the mess. A huge candle up. It failed to go up. Then it formed 1. Then it dropped down to here, and then it's just gapping up. I don't know what the hell this thing wants to do. DWAC is a mess. This candle is taking everyone out, both bears and bulls, and then it's just coiling inside. I'm not going to pay attention to this. Yesterday I was bearish, and I said that there is 200 MA. It may mess up with the price, which it did. So I'm not going to pay attention to this today. QS did exactly as I said yesterday, but it's gapping up today. I'm not going to pay attention to this thing, especially that we have new month coming in. But look at the monthly. That's one thing that should not miss. All right. So on monthly, we have 1. This is interesting. This is a 2, 1, 2 up, but I would read this 1, 2, 2 because it's more closer to break the lower side rather than go all the way to 43 to break the upper side, right? And there has been a bearish trend, so we'll see that what it's gonna do. But for me personally, I read this as a 2-1-2 on monthly, but 2 1 2 up, but this is a follow through period. So next month we'll see that, oh yeah, if it drops from low of this candle is 27.32, like $2 it can crack the low and then becomes a 1-2-2. Anyhow, I'm not interested in this. Roadblocks yesterday destroyed me. I killed it yesterday. Look at this here. If you watched yesterday's stream, I went in after it broke. I went in a little bit late because I was watching 5 minutes. I went in and then I got out here, missed all of this move, got out, got in here again, got out, got in, got out, and then here, because of wrong size and too much of a big size, I missed. By the way, here when I started to go in, I went in profit about 100. It was 180. No, 100. Yeah, $170. Then I added one. I want to add once, but I added twice accidentally. So my average was up here because at the end I was 500 shares in up here. It went into profit twice. I didn't close it, and then at the end I closed down here in negative, and then it was a painful day. But that was yesterday, and I learned from whatever that has happened before. Actually, I'm going to remove roadblocks in a way. And today we are just going to go with strong moves. Today we the issue with TCOM is that it doesn't have volume, right? It doesn't have volume, and that is scary. Indeed, it is scary. Not scary. It makes me worried. And let's go. We're gonna watch 5 million shares in inside days. Hood. Haven't seen the stock in God knows how long. Hold on, I'll be back in a second. Alright, hold on, just give me a sec. So I will after because most probably it would be slow day, not a slow day. I will be on 15 minutes after it runs to the upside. I will be looking at trading on 15 minutes. So it would be a little bit slow. If someone wants to play some Call of Duty, I will be on mobile platform today. We can have some matches. So Hood, we have look at this pin, drop down. We had the 2 up, okay, but here is a 3 breaks the top, but it fails to come back. Then we have a pin down, so you have a 2 up, 2 down. On 2 down we have a 2